Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video for the week ending Friday, March the 27th of 2020. I haven't shown very many swing trades in a while, so I thought I'd show a couple of swing trades that were filled from this past week, one winner and one loser. Like the markets are obviously pretty volatile right now, and you need to be particularly vigilant with your trade management. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, remember to hit the like button and follow us so that you'll be notified whenever we put out a new video. That would be great. And by the way, please, if you can, just listen to the very end of this video, if possible, because I share some thoughts that I know can make a difference for you. Okay? Anyway, let's take a look at these swing trades. Okay, first I'll show you the losing trade, but also how you could have mitigated the loss somewhat, which makes a big difference in your account. It was on the British pound US dollar pair. We had a sell at 120.30. Now, if you go, this is within the CC premium service charts. So for our premium members, you get these charts, which are so nice. Swing trades. You click the tab, and here it is right here, the GU, British pound US dollar set and forget short. Darko posted this way before price got there. See that? This is where we're looking to sell, this grayed out box that you sell the bottom, stop goes above the top. And if we go to the trade management tab now, right here, Darko usually, doesn't always, but usually he'll post trade management protocols so that members can follow that along. It really helps them for just learning how to do this. So here, look what happened. We got filled. Now I want to show you something here. This is one of the skills of trade management. There's a strong opposing level that you cannot disregard. That's right here. You see this? How price reacted really hard. So when price hit this, it actually went down and hit it to the pip. He says price hit that level to the pip for almost 60 pips. It's Thursday, and this is a swing trade. I took one lot off once we hit that level because I'm not holding any positions over the weekend due to the world condition that we're in right now. And as I'm recording this, it's very volatile with the coronavirus situation and the economic issues and that kind of thing. So anyway, so took one off for 60 pips, and then it went out and went up and got stopped out. So the loss on it was 108 pips. That's how far away the stop loss was, which is kind of normal these days. But you're still only risking 0.5% of your account. That's what we recommend. Okay. However, there was only a loss of, like, he made 60 pips on one of them and lost 108 pips on the other. So a net loss of 48 pips. If he had done nothing, then on those two lots, he would have lost 2 times 108, 216 pips. That's a big difference instead of 48 pips. Here's the other one on the USCAD pair. Let's go to the swing trade tab, which is right over here. Swing trade, USDCAD. He posted this on the 23rd. I'm recording this on the 26th, Thursday evening in Vancouver, here where I live. Look what he posted way before price got up here. Way down here, he said, hey, if it gets up to here, sell here with a stop above here. Let's go to the trade management, see what happened. Where are we? Trade management. And here, I'll show you the different parts. He's got part 1, part 2, and part 3. So let's go to part 1 now. And you can see price came up, and he got your initial stop goes here. And then as price reacts, you move your stop down above these reaction highs like this. Now look, let's go to the next part 2. Part 2 is right here. And this is zoomed in a bit now. So the initial stop was here. Once you got filled, price moved down. The stop goes from here down to here. It goes up and moves down. So now we can move it down a little bit more. You see that? Look at this comment here. There's a reason why I always have my stop loss above swing highs rather than moving it to break even. Otherwise, price will almost always stop me out and then goes in my direction for tons of pips. And he says here, once we get a swing break, or if price closes below this green circle, you can reduce the risk by moving your stop loss above the new swing high, and that's more or less where we entered this trade, right into here. You see that? So, and then he shows you various profit. Like, just consider what a fantastic learning tool this is. It's all laid out for you here. I don't know what to do. Where should I move my stop? Here it all is, right here. There's a profit target. Here's another profit target. Here's another profit target. We're very close to this one here right now. Okay, so that's was that the third one? Part 3? Yeah, that was part 3. Oh no, pardon me. Part 3 is right here. And look, he sells here, stop above here, and look at this. Currently up 3.3 to 1, over 470 pips. It's Thursday, and you need to think about how to manage this over the weekend, and you know he's not staying in over the weekend. I scaled 50% at 3 to 1, and the rest is at break even. And since he's had this trade on, it's actually gone down more than that. I'll show you the chart here right now. Where's the USDCAD pair? Right here. And here is the 4-hour chart right here. I marked these little these levels. You see where you can move your stop down above these swing highs here, and now down to here. And now he's down to this level. This level here, by the way, this is around the 140 area, is a weekly, getting close to a weekly level of support too. That's our ultimate target. But boy, I tell you what, anything in here right now is very, very good. This trade has been up 520 pips as I'm recording this. The target's down here is like 550 pips. So, you know, for 30 pips on a week, on a big swing trade, I don't know, whatever. But it's still a very, very good result. So you can see what we do and how we do it. It's just a very, very effective way to trade in all market conditions. Support resistance levels, when you use them properly, have worked like this since I started coaching back in 2006. And now, honestly, listen, Darko has taken this service to a whole new level. It's pretty remarkable what he's done. And the members in our Coaches Corner service will attest to that, I can tell you that. So I just wanted to show you that, you know, despite the conditions in the markets right now, what we do works. And in today's video, you saw, you know, swing trades. But because I haven't shown any for a while, I just thought I should show some. But it could be any other style, like position trading, day trading, scalping. Our approach just flat out gives you a very nice edge. And I'll say too, you know, we had a couple of losing trades this week too, but nothing compared to these kind of wins. So it turned out to be a good trading week after all. But for swing trades, these are the two trades I just showed you were the only two swing trades that we had. Now in this video, I showed you a couple of swing trades, but just realize that the approach is identical, you know, no matter what style of trading you prefer, from scalping right up to position trading. But you need to follow the process correctly, right? And listen, you know, I want to say this. No matter what it is that you want to do well at, and I assume that because you're watching this video that you want to do well at trading, don't ever forget that the very fastest way to get the results that you want is to model after someone else. You do not need to reinvent the wheel when you can leverage what someone else has already done, like Darko, to reinvent your results. Okay, it's how you achieve anything you want in a shorter period of time. You know, Darko didn't just get lucky for the past 4.5 years of profitable trading for himself. No, he figured it out. So now you can just shortcut the process, and make no mistake about it. Picking the right role model is critical. And for almost 2.5 years, Darko has been tirelessly pumping out pre-market analysis videos every single day for the benefit of our members. And, you know, right now, with what's going on, right now, maybe that would be a great time for you to seriously consider joining the CC. We'd love to have you with us. And because it's all online, guess what? Social distancing isn't an issue. At least I haven't heard anything about, the coronavirus making its way through the internet and into my computer. Okay? All right, let's leave it at that. If you have any questions, please contact me. I'd be happy to get back to you. Leave a comment. Let us know how you're dealing with the current volatility. And don't forget to hit the like button and follow us. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great weekend. Take care and be safe.